we are spoiling the 1 hour, quality 1 hour on discussing about the corruption and Congress. Congress is equal to corruption, which everybody knows in this country. It has got a history of corruption. It is only a money-making machine. It does not have an inspired leadership, not only on the top, and even now you know that the places where it is even merely an opposition, there also corruption is the practice of Congress. There is no inspired leadership. It is meant to be a collection agency it is running. In a public platform on the KPCC office, if this is what is the discussion is taking place between two leaders, imagine what must be happening behind the doors, which you and me cannot, the cameras can't reach. What could be happening? I think it's a shame. It's a shame. The time has come for us to say namaste to Congress. Not about Congress Mukt Bharat. It is basically more of like a boycott Congress all across. Wherever they have one or two or three states, wherever they have in power, they are fighting. Infighting, corruption, only power tussle, and without even having a full-time leadership, we still give our quality time for Congress, the 1 hour of news hour. I think the time has come for all of us to say that the corruption is equal to Congress, need to be deleted forever from the Indian politico. Till that time, you with me will waste our time.
Hi everyone, this is Arnab Goswami and I want to talk about our digital platform Republic World, the fastest news destination which has got you covered on all fronts, be it politics, entertainment or sport. And the reason I want you to follow Republic World is because for far too long there has only been negativity about India on the digital medium. Republic World is my campaign against the negativity prevalent on social media and digital media. So for the first time, I offer you a choice. Get the content that builds the nation. Avoid the content and avoid everyone on digital media who speaks against the nation. And do not forget to download the Republic World app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching. Together, let's kill the negativity against India on the digital media. Let's ensure that it's truly nation first, no compromise.